All right, more news coming in. Big war over Muslim women voters. Sena Sanjay Nirupam says Muslim women voters have been blocked. Muslim men stopping women from voting. Nirupam says, rather Nirupam forces Muslim shop owners to shut shop.
अकेला पड़ गया था जब भी मैं अयुब को ले लो साथ में ओ चाचा मैं तुमको समझा रहा हूँ जाओ
Alright, high drama there with Sanjay Nirupam forcing Muslim shop owners to shut their shops down essentially. What's going on here? Mustafa, if you could give us more details, how was this even allowed?
Well, see, we'll explain you the video. Once the video came forward, this video is from Pimpri-Wada, Sanjay Nagar, which is the constituency in Dindoshi, where Shiv Sena Sanjay Nirupam was one of the candidates. The sources close to Sanjay Nirupam are telling us that he received information that some Muslim women who wanted to vote for Mahayuti, who wanted to vote for him, but they were not being allowed by these men to vote for them, and that's why he reached there. He created this scene. He asked them to shut shop to the table. He stopped them, and then the matter has reached to the police. If you hear the video, in the video, the police is seen intervening. The police is saying to both the parties, let's go to the police station. So as of now, the information which has been given to us by Sanjay Nirupam, that is his allegation that he came to know that some Muslim women who wanted to vote for him were not being allowed to vote for him, and hence he reached that spot, and then after that
Be with us. I'm just going to go across to Sanjay Nirupam, who's joining us. Sanjay Nirupam, what happened there? You're forcing people to close their shops down. Why is that happening?
So the polling was going on here in our constituency peacefully, but suddenly when the UBT candidate realized and their workers realized that they are losing this election and polling is going against them, they started creating mobs and they started attacking our workers, my party workers, and they started creating ruckus in this area. So forcefully, deliberately, they were trying to disturb the peace and harmony of this constituency, and they wanted to basically disturb the peace of the constituency. That's why I went there, I reached there, and I asked the police to disperse them, because as for the this Achar Sanhita, I think, code of conduct rules, more than 4 people cannot assemble at one place. But they were hundreds of people, and they basically attacked one of my workers just to create some communal atmosphere. They to create a tension, communal tension. So I attacked. Thank you very much.
No, I want to ask you, why did you force these people to close the shops down then?
Because the shop was open, and lot of people were assembled there, and they were basically trying to intimidate our voters and our people there to vote in their favor.
But this isn't something that the candidate is supposed to do, Mr. Sanjay Nirupam. You have a policeman there also.
I asked policemen to ask them to close. They were not listening to them. Then I asked them to just close it immediately.
Mr. Nirupam, this video is playing out on India Today, I write at this point in time. How does this look as a candidate that you are forcing people? It looks as if there is intimidation, there is coercion on your part.
Not इसको coercion नहीं कह सकते. जब एक दुकानदार दुकान खोल करके तमाशा कर रहा है और क्राउड खड़ा कर रहा है और वो क्राउड वोटर्स को इन्फ्लुएंस करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, तो my first response and reaction would be to ask the shopkeepers to close the shop. And if the police is not able to do it, I will enforce. I will ask them to do it. And I'm free to do it.
How are you free to do it, Mr. Nirupam, as a candidate? Because this video that is now circulating just shows you forcing these people to close the shutters down. We'll put that out for our viewers, in fact, in full frame if we can, but it clearly shows that you are forcing them to close the shops down. They look afraid in this conversation that we put out with you. Also, you made an allegation that women voters were not allowed to vote for you.
If the shopkeeper is using his shop to influence the voter, I have a right as a candidate to ask him to close the shop. I cannot allow him to influence my voters by using his shop or his whatever the commercial establishments or whatever it is. अगर दुकानदार दुकान खोल करके वहाँ तमाशा कर रहा है तो मुझे एक कैंडिडेट के तौर पर और वो वोटरों को इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहा है और हमारे जब वर्कर जा रहे हैं उन पर अटैक किया जा रहा है तो क्या मैं कम से कम दुकानदार को नहीं बोल सकता कि आप दुकान बंद करिए? नहीं बोल सकता क्या?
ठीक है, इसका जवाब अथॉरिटीज देंगे। जी
कायदे से एज पर द लॉ द पुलिस शुड हैव डन इट। Police was just a silent spectator over there.
Okay. Police was a silent spectator, so the Shiv Sena candidate there went ahead and asked.
When I started forcing this shopkeeper to close the shop, then police got into action. Yes, बंद करो। मैंने कहा बंद करो ये दुकान तमाशा बन रहा है, ये दुकान को मिसयूज कर रहे हैं लोग वोटर्स को इन्फ्लुएंस करने के लिए और हमारे वर्कर्स को अटैक करने के लिए।
Okay. Sanjay Nirupam, I'm going to thank you for joining in. Sanjay Nirupam there, candidate of the Shiv Sena, says that because the cops weren't doing the job, then I had to, in fact, take this matter into my own hands. These are pictures of Sanjay Nirupam. The cops as well. There is fair amount of commotion. These are pictures coming in from Mumbai.